Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. So let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking one card each for your general energy, guys. For your career, this is for your general energy. This is for your career, and this is for your relationship, guys. So let's turn the cards and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last. So for your general reading, King of Pentacles. For your career, Page of Pentacles in reverse. This is for your relationship, Wheel of Fortune. Capricorn, the energy with this card for your general reading is that whatever you take up, this may be in your work situation or in your personal life, whatever decisions you take or whatever action you do, whatever you may be involved, whatever activities you are involved in, you are exhibiting lot of talents and you are really authoritarian, a powerful person. So whatever you do, it is bearing the good results. Whatever needs to come, it is coming, guys, towards you. So whatever attainments and success in all the things that you do is there in your life. So that is the energy here with your general reading, guys. And you are a person of action. People see you as a very skilled and a very talented person who has lots of you have a multifaceted talent. So in anything you are able to do what you need to do, and whatever actions that you are involved in, it is giving good results. So that is what people feel about you, or this person feels about you, or this is the truth about you, guys. So for your career, it is a Page of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So for your career, you are a person who has a great authority, guys, and you may be into some kind of luxurious living, something you may be spending too much. So in your work, maybe regarding some assignments that you need to do or certain collaborations, you are investing too much. That may be the energy here. You are going overboard in certain about certain decisions. So that may not be necessary, but you are doing it. You may have to think about it, guys, about this liberal attitude of yours. So whatever you are investing, sometimes it may give you certain loss, so you need to be careful. That is the energy here. So your luxurious spending, that should stop. This may be related to your work situation, guys, or maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some kind of suspensions or delays in your work, some collaborations or some financial investments or deals that may get delayed, or that there may be some kind of bad news regarding something like that. So that is also the energy here for your work situation, guys. So for your relationship, Wheel of Fortune. This connection with this person, it may relate to some kind of a karmic destiny, guys. So this person is there in your life because this is a destined connection, and the way you came together, and the way things are proceeding, maybe something may be very familiar, that just denotes that this is a karmic relationship, guys. You would have met them in your past life, and you that is the reason that you are there with them in this life, guys. And regarding certain aspects of your relationship, you may feel really happy with them because you share that familiarity and you share that deep connection and bond, and you may feel lucky and happy to be in this relationship with this person, guys, because of the deep connection that you have with them. You share a great understanding and compatibility, affection is there, guys. So that is the way you feel about this person, or that is the way they feel about you, and you feel you're really fortunate to be in this relationship with this person because you share that great understanding and compatibility with them, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. Capricorn, I'll be picking one card from the angel deck. Nurture your dreams. So this is the angel guidance, guys. Sometimes in life we have that gut feeling about certain things, guys. Maybe the way we think about something, the goals, whatever it is, whatever aspirations we have in life, regarding certain things, we may feel that we are greatly attracted to. We may have some kind of intuitive connection to that aspiration. So when you have that, deep intuitive connection to your aspirations or dreams, whatever it is, we should not limit ourselves. We should go towards that, and we should help ourselves to take up that path, whatever that comes in our way, that towards that which we have a great attraction to. So when we do that, we will realize our purpose of life, guys, whatever we need to do and what is the purpose, and we will reach our full potential in life. So that is the energy here, Capricorn, and that is the guidance from the angels. So whatever we need to do, whatever intuitive guidance that we have regarding our aspirations and goals, to whichever goal we are greatly attracted to, so you need to take that up in your life, so that when you do that, we will realize the purpose of our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card, Capricorn. Hope this reading resonated with you all. If it did, please like and comment. I'll be doing more of such readings. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.